Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Mako Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Salim, the man Taylor Street.
And we rolling around with the spaceship. We got Feel Better with us.
Feel
You get the feel of the spaceship? How I feel to ride around the spaceship, Big Billy?
We're flying.
We flying. So the name of this segment, E's Top 5. Hey, let's have a shout out to E, man. You brought up the top 5 in a minute. So let's have a shout, man.
Hey, you know, the top 5, I've been having that attitude with my top 5, you know what I'm saying? It's like a relationship, so.
Ooh, that's the E's Top 5.
Man, these goddamn bubbles.
Yeah, that's it.
Brought to you by Brown Turo. Cleaning, delivery, repair.
Get that out, me. Like, subscribe, share. Let me get that part out. Comment.
Subscribe. Shit.
All of that, man.
Yes,
Top 5,
indeed.
it's been a lot of calibrating going
like I
on.
said,
We had time to get it right this week.
I had time to get it right. You know, NFL been going crazy with all these teams thinking they're good, thinking they're not. It was a lot of pretenders. It was a lot of contenders. But, you know, I had to break it down. I figured out who is what and what is who. So I'm going to go ahead and start it right away to my number 5. Number 5. We call them, my guys, Steel Nation, baby. Man of Steel. We talking about the Pittsburgh Steelers.
The Steelers?
Yeah, let's go. Celebration time. Come on.
I wish I had a towel.
Hey, I want the towel with a towel. I was like, I feel like Pittsburgh like one of my second cities. I feel like it's kind of like a Chicago type of city. I'm just loving Mike Tomlin. I'm loving how Justin Fields proving people that I can still do what I got to do. I love the way Russell Wilson just came and said, no, don't forget about me. He said, y'all must have forget. They on fire. They defense crazy. I'm talking about J.J. Watts is going nuts. They 7-2 with a great record. That's why they went number 5, but they can't be my number 14 because my number 14, they doing something special as a youngin'. This guy coming in like on some, I'm the man of the town. I'm like Michael Jordan out here. We talking about the man, the Alvin, the myth, the Jaden Daniels, the superstar. Already has happened. Jalen Daniels and the Washington Redskins, number 4.
Okay.
Because they are bodying guys. They like lead the league almost in offense. They the top 3 as far as offensive scoring at a young age. I see the dude, when I saw him, when they play against the Bears, I mean, you can't tackle this dude.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, and then they guys out here playing good defense. They pumped up. Brian Robinson III is still running. They got Heckler. They got still McLaurin. He been in the league. He a veteran. They got a great squad. So that's my number 3. That's my number 14. But my number 3 team, these guys, they've been around for a long time. My top 5. So I got to show love where love is due. We talking about let's go Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo. Number 3, you know what they number 3.
Buffalo Bills.
Buffalo Bills, number 3.
Your number
baby.
3 team.
My number 3 team in the league right now. They is not playing no games. It's on and popping. You might not like it, but this is what I'm talking about with these guys. All they doing is Josh Allen and everybody. He is in control like he always been in control. Cook is doing his thing. Defense going crazy. They score points, and they just got a solid team with a great coach. But they ain't my number 2 team because my number 2 team, my number 2 team is the new superpower juggernauts. We talking about the boom, boom, boom. These guys are taking over the league already. Everybody know about them. We're talking about the Detroit Lions. The Lions. They're the craziest team in the league right now. They got offense, defense, special teams, a crazy coach. They go for it on 4th and 8 at they own 30 and still get it. You know, they just ready to win or lose. They dominating right now. They winning off of special teams, dudes scoring touchdowns, all that. They're just doing so much. They're just scoring too much. You can't stop them right now. And I think Goff is on a mission. He's still salty about what happened when they got rid of him in L.A., you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So really, he on a mission right now. Quiet as kept. And Montgomery, you know, they got Gibbs and Montgomery, but they ain't my number 1 team because they're my number 1 team. You know, I'm going to just keep it real, you know. Until y'all beat them, it ain't nothing we can say about it. Kansas City Chiefs. Facts. They just, you know, I don't care how much Patrick Mahomes don't have no stats. He don't care about stats now. All he care about is winning. They just care about winning. We talking about hat-trick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes, you know what I'm saying? They're the number 1 team. Until somebody drop them down, I feel like they could be beat, but nobody ain't beating them. Every time they go up against somebody, they just scare everybody. They scare teams. I can't believe it.
Especially in the big games.
So that's my top 5. That's my top 5 right there.
East Top 5 brought to you by Brown Toro Clean Delivery Repair. I love it, E.
Pittsburgh, stand up. Throw on your
Pittsburgh was nasty. But I don't know, Kansas City. How you feel about Kansas City? We gonna let Phil get a little shine.
Yes, sir.
I can't feel nothing but love for Kansas City.
Okay.
Even though, like,
Okay.
I
from
want
my top
Chicago
five.
Cause
dudes.
he was over his breath over here.
Yo, what's up my top
five?
5? What's up my top 5? What's your like on my top 5?
Yeah, he was
I
over.
love your top 5 outside of the Bills, but everything
Okay,
else I
alright,
ride with.
That's cool.
I'd
That's cool.
have put like
Who
see
you ahead of that?
it hurt. It hurt having Detroit up in that top 5, but
Number
they
two.
raw. They
I,
raw.
look, and I,
They raw.
you know, I ain't want to do that.
They
But
7-1.
But
They legit.
they legit. They beat Minnesota.
being
They beat.
honest,
You know what I'm saying?
I would have put another team in there ahead of Buffalo.
Okay.
And that was in the
They
number
number
two.
they number 1 through team right now. They
I'd have put Minnesota in there.
they falling out like
You
bad
can't
though.
put Minnesota.
I
All
think
right,
so.
this
I think
East
it's just
top
a bad
5.
shit.
We got Phil
Top
better
five,
with
top-
us.
better get well, like me, better
He
against me, like
Minnesota,
Phil,
yeah.
like Phil better,
And
like
we
Phil
got,
better.
and we got
If
the
you
dogs
don't
coming
like
with
it,
that.
bet against it.
Bet against it. That's it.
Nah, that's
That's it, man. It's the Weekly Dog Sports Man Podcast Show. It's East Top 5. Feel better, you ride with us, man. We got one more segment, bro. I'm liking you on the ship. We flying.
Yeah, you
Well,
flying.
man, as long as I'm invited, I'll be there.
Hey man,
All right,
hey.
yeah, man. Next segment, the dogs is coming, man. Let them out the yard. We ain't been doing too good on the dogs,
Arr,
but
arr.
I've been doing pretty decent. I don't know about E. But,
The better verse.
It's time to bite back.
Yeah, it's time to bite back.
The
Yeah,
better
we
verse.
all the way in the better verse this time around. Other side of the break, Jilla, take us out, man.